Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of 4K Garage. In this episode, I'd like to install a AC delete, air conditioning delete, and so on. This is just one of those little jobs I've been contemplating for a little while now. Ever since I fixed up the car, which, like I said, I'm still going to go into in another mini video series. I bought a brand new air conditioning condenser, and I've just never filled it up with gas. It's been installed here, all the lines are fine, the pump's fine. But in all honesty, I've driven the car now for 2 years almost, and I just don't feel the need for it. You know, the summers get hot here, especially around show season, but I'm never often stuck in the car for long periods of time. You know, just opening the windows often gives you all the air conditioning you need. So with that in mind, I'm going to get rid of the condenser, just open up the radiator, bit of cooling, why not? I can maybe even sell the condenser, get a bit of money back for what I originally paid for it. Take off the AC pump, and in its place I've got this nice OEM Subaru part. Well, just put an idle pulley in its place, so that gets rid of the pump. I can get rid of the lines, maybe freeze up the engine a little bit, makes it rev a little bit nicer. You know, they say it makes a little bit more power, but I'm not really trying to chase that. I just think it's something, you know, tidies up the engine bay a little bit, why not?
And as well as the AC delete, what we'll also be installing is a set of these, which I'm sure anyone familiar with the 86 is familiar with these by now. These are a set of Vland headlights. Got the nice DRL boomerang and then the sequential indicators. And as well as I have a head kit to go along with them. And I've modified the surrounds here, getting rid of all those clips and giving them a little spray of black, just to hopefully allow those to sit under the bumper a bit better. Now the Vlands are going to be replacing my current headlights, which are a set of Valentis, and they're very nice in themselves. I just personally like the look of the Vlands a little bit more. Of course, the Valentis feature an eyebrow style DRL and once again sequential indicators, but these have to be used with the OEM HID. I've had these in the car since I fixed it up, of course, because the OEM headlights were smashed into a million pieces, as you can imagine. And I would say the build quality is probably a bit better on these than the Vlands. But then again, the price tag is much larger as well. Let me get the car kind of going and we'll have a look at what these look like. So here they are. You can see that eyebrow there, and they look pretty nice, the eyebrows. Here's with the indicators on, doing their sequential thing. Looking pretty good, but like I said, I just prefer the look of the Vlands. So let's crack on getting those installed. Right, so I started off by taking off the top of the core support here, as well as the air filter. And now what I need to do is disconnect the lines, probably pull those out first. There's a couple of brackets that hold the condenser onto the radiator, take those away, and then the condenser should just slide out. Got the 10mm, let's get these lines off. So before I take the lines off, there's no air currently in the condenser. As I say, this condenser was brand new when I put it on, and I never got it filled up with gas. So there's nothing in here. So there shouldn't be any worry really. Right, so now I need to untension the belt to get it off the original pump here. So, I'll do that. And the belt come off very easily. Right, so here we are. It's all done now. Unfortunately, my phone filled up its storage space, and all the footage that I filmed after the last clip you saw is now corrupt. So I didn't realise until it was too late, and basically finished it all now. But anyway, so let's have a little walk through. So as you can see straight away, the air conditioning condenser is now gone, and that's just given a nice open space for the radiator to get so much more air. And with that, the two AC pipes are now gone. The ones leading up to the pump, which is no longer there, and as you can see, it's been replaced by the nice new pulley and just cleared up that area quite nicely. Of course, you just got to always remember to check the belt is seated properly and all the pulleys and the teeth and so on when you're all done. So that's all good. But as you can see, that pump is gone, as are the pipes coming from the pump and leading to the bulkhead back here. Bulkhead connector. I didn't really feel like leaving that open, so I made that little blanking plate out of carbon fibre. It's about a 2mm thick piece of carbon fibre. Just rounded it, shaped it, and that covers that up nicely. Just tidies it up, means there's not a big hole there for a lot of water to get into, if you know, or anything like that, and it's easy to take off again. So we have it. So let's now move on to the headlights, getting those fitted.
Trying to step back and see the view from above, 'cause I know that nothing lasts forever. And I try to crack this iceberg open till it shatters through the ocean. I wanna make shockwaves. I wanna make shockwaves with you. Gonna move the ocean current till the waves flood what's been burning. I wanna make shockwaves. I wanna make shockwaves with you. Shockwaves with you. Shockwaves with you. Shockwaves with you. Shockwaves with you.
Right, so they're all done now. So as you can see, the backs are on and they're indicating. Got my side indicators up there. And coming around to the front, Vlands are looking fantastic. I really like that boomerang look around the edge of the light. I like having a few more LEDs in the sequential indicators. It's looking great. Headlight beam's good. I've adjusted that. I made some marks on the old door frame here. It's come out really well. Really pleased with them. And as you can see, I've got the two headlight surrounds on now. And I'm hoping that when I try and refit the bumper tomorrow, it should go on around those absolutely fine.
Alright guys, that's it for this episode. Got the AC delete installed as well as the headlights, which hopefully you'll agree they look pretty good. Got the little rocket bunny lights to go in, which I haven't quite decided whether I'm going to wire up as fog lights or as side lights. I'm not sure I really need side lights for these, so I think I'll come back to that tomorrow. But for now, either way, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, do all that good YouTube stuff as always. I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
So good.